मेहता का उल्टा चश्मा है।
Subscribe now.
Oh, broke my glass. Oh, broke my glass. Tappu.
It's Tappu's mom. Oh, Ayarji. Sorry, Ayarji.
Dayaji, you?
Yes, it wasn't fun without Sonu today. So mom became a substitute.
Dayaji, I didn't expect this from you.
Ayarji, I hit a 6. Your glass just came in the way. Ayarji, please return the ball.
Leave it, Dayanti. I have a spare ball. We will continue the game.
Broke the glass with the ball and the pot with the bat. Forget the ball. You started throwing the bat as well.
Sorry, Ayarji. It happened by mistake. Give back the bat, please.
You want the bat? Here. Take it.
Ayar uncle threw the bat towards the swimming pool. Whoever reaches the pool last is the loser.
Hey, kids, wait. I'm also coming.
Sodi uncle, pass the bat, please.
No way. I won't let you mischievous kids waste my time. Yes, sir.
Look, he's your father. Say something. Yes, change of plan. Let's play hide and seek.
Not my den.
Not my den. Mom, so you be the denner. We will all hide. Okay?
Yes. Okay, then I am the dinner. It will be a lot of
Thank you, auntie.
fun. Don't mention it. Come on, I will start counting. Tick-tock 1, tick-tock 2, tick-tock 3, tick-tock 4. I'm coming to find you all. I will find you guys right now. Where are you all hiding? Oh, I can't see them anywhere. Maybe they are hiding under the water. I will empty the entire swimming pool.
What's this happening? Who emptied this pool?
Oh my goodness me! Oh dear Soni ji.
Dayaji, tell me the truth. Is this the work of those kids?
No, I drained the water to see if anyone was hiding inside the pool.
Dayaji!
Speak softly, the children are hiding. I'm trying to find them all.
Hey, bida, you're the secretary of this society. You must control Dayaji. Oh, look at her. She has become a complete child.
Calm down, Sodi. I am here. I'll do something.
Hey! Catch!
I broke my leg.
I'm sorry. Are you hurt?
Huh? Dayaji, it's a society meeting. Please come now, please.
Bhede ji, is it something important?
Huh?
If yes, then call Dad. And if it's something casual, then call Tapu's father. I'm a little busy right now.
Mom, run! Goalie's coming!
Oh my goodness me!
Are you okay, Babita ji?
Yes, Jethaji. I came here to dry my hair.
Okay, if it's dry, throw it down.
Daya,
Huh?
have you also become a child along with the kids? Look at her. Poor Babita ji got hurt so badly. Babita ji, do you need anything? Medicine, water? Huh?
Jetalal, take care of yourself and your wife and child. I am here to take care of Babita.
Absolutely right, Ayyaji.
Daya, if you want to play, go and play on the ground. Huh? Not here. You all have troubled the entire society.
Dad, don't say anything to Mom. Mom, let's go. Let's play badminton.
Yeah, hey. Oh.
This Daya auntie is playing too well. Let's increase the difficulty level for her. Pinku, come on.
Tapu, this is so much fun. Our team will definitely win. Yes!
I got it.
It's a good thing Daya auntie hit that shot and not us. Otherwise, they wouldn't have let us out of the house from tomorrow.
Hey, I get it. What happened to you? Oh man, get up. Have you come to your senses?
See, a moment's distraction caused a loss. Tapu, this is all because of you.
Mom, you just kept playing and playing. You weren't giving me a chance at all.
Yes, Daya auntie.
Tapu, you just kept sleeping. That's why someone had to continue the play, right?
Daya
Okay, this Dayachi is more dangerous than the kids.
And since she is an elder, we can't even say anything.
This is the best part about playing with Daya auntie.
That new elder can shout at us.
Jethalal!
Look, he is my husband, but these two are the one missing him.
Mommy, let's go.
Jethalal, listen carefully. You will definitely have to control Daya Bhabi.
I'll do it. I'll do something, brother.
Boy, don't let her play with the kids.
Huh? Okay.
Otherwise, it will become difficult for all of us to live.
There. Daya.
Tappu's father, what happened? Tell me.
Daya, I feel like eating the halwa made by your hands. Right now, please.
Huh?
Come on, let's go.
Well, it's a good thing Jethalal took Dayaji away.
At last, the trouble is avoided.
Idea. Tappu's father, nowadays you can find everything on the internet, even the recipe for halwa.
Yes, Mommy is absolutely right.
Yeah.
So today you will make halwa for all of us. I mean, for all these kids and for me.
Yeah. I should make halwa.
Yes. Until then, we will finish our last game and come back.
Yay! Tappu Sena!
Oh, no, this is a mess.
Mom, you have to aim correctly and hit this dummy donkey. Are you ready?
Absolutely. Aiming without looking is child's play for my right hand, Tappu.
Come on, Gogi.
Everybody move aside.
Auntie, over here.
No, Daya auntie, over here.
Huh?
Mom, listen to me and hit it here.
Daya! Oh! Daya! Why are you bent on messing me up?
Tappu's father, please move out of the way. Did it hit?
Not the donkey, but Jetha uncle got hit.
Oh, so your voice came from here. That donkey must be here. I am coming, donkey. Yeah. Yeah. Did it hit?
No,
Why are you saying no?
she is asking, so I'm replying.
Oh no, Miri uncle won't even spare Mom.
Huh?
Is it okay, Tappu?
Hey, the mirror is broken. But he won't even know that his scooter had fallen.
What kind of sound was that? Leave that. Today I will definitely hit the donkey. Hey, hello!
Hey, Mom, wait! Ha!
Auntie!
Mom, stop!
Oh, yeah.
Daya auntie, stop swinging the hockey stick.
Why? Did I hit that donkey?
अरे दया जी
Mom, stop! It's hit!
I aimed correctly, didn't I? Oh dear. Huh? Oh my goodness me! What has happened?
Hey, Jethalal, you don't just have to compensate for the damage.
Rather, you'll also have to find a proper permanent solution to stop Dayaji.
Hey, have some mercy on a poor person like me. At home it's that, outside it's there.
Huh? Or Bidu hasn't even seen the condition of his scooter yet.
Yeah? Yeah.
Yes, Jethalal. Until you pay money, we will not leave you.
Daya. Did you see what you did? While playing with the kids, you emptied my pockets, Daya.
Okay, so what do you all want? Shouldn't the society's children play at all?
See, Dhire has also arrived.
Oh my god, what has happened?
My Sagaram! Sagaram, no! Sagaram, no! Sagaram, no! Who did this?
Hey, Bhide, this time it wasn't Tappu. It's Dayaji who has destroyed the entire society.
Yes, sir. You take all your refund from Jethalal. Huh?
Daya, because of you, I have to listen to so many taunts. I will talk to you when I get home, Daya.
Hey, listen.
First pay for the damage that has happened in the entire society, then you will be allowed to go home.
Guys, today I learned a new game from my aunt's place. It was a lot of fun, but it requires 6 players.
Dayanti! Huh?
Shall we play another game?
Absolutely. Tappu's father, the children are calling. So I will just go and play another game, okay?
Be careful, Mamuji.
Hey, Shahrukh Khan, you handle yours.
No, I won't drink it.
Tappu dear, you have to drink the milk. Please wait.
No, Mom.
Hey, Jetya, catch him. Hey, caught him.
Here you go, Bapuji. What is this, Bapuji? He ran away again.
Huh?
Got him.
No.
Here, take this jet here.
Ah, Bapuji. Yeah. Huh?
Hey, why are you drinking milk? Tapu just ran away.
Hey.
I got him.
Hey, Tapula, drinking milk gives you strength.
Gogi, you? And Sonu, you? Both of you? Unbelievable. Today again the entire Tapu Sena was forced to drink milk.
Yuck. We don't like drinking milk at all.
Then why do our parents force us to drink milk?
Because milk comes to the house, that's why.
Idea! From tomorrow, no milk will come to our homes.
Impossible, Tapu.
Don't underestimate Tapu.
Aha!
Yay, Tapu Sena!
Gives me milk, my Buffy. And with a dark face and red hair, Buffy gives me milk. With a dark face and red hair. Ah. Where did the lion's roar come from?
Go, my dear lion, go.
Oh my goodness, save me! Save me! Oh my god! Oh my goodness, save me! Save me! What is this? Oh, it's just a dog.
Bapuji, today also we have to make Tapu Sena drink milk somehow.
Yes, Jediya.
Oh, he's coming.
Attention! Tapu is ready! I will drink milk, drink milk! Left, right, left, right, left, right, left, right, left, right, left, right. Mommy! Give me milk!
Tapu, are you feeling all right?
Yes, Papa, I'm perfectly fine. What happened? Huh?
Because today you are asking for the milk to drink by yourself, son.
Grandpa says that drinking milk gives you strength.
Daya, bring the milk.
Yes, I'm coming.
Hey.
Here it is, the milk.
Huh?
Here, give it quickly.
Oh, the milk hasn't come today.
What? Then what is there in the glass?
It's empty.
I'm saved.
Huh? Then why are you roaming around with an empty glass?
Tapu's father, if you don't see the empty glass, how will you know that the milk hasn't arrived today?
Oh.
Mom, I really felt like drinking milk today. The milk didn't come today. Let's go play. Left, right, left, right, left, right, left, right, left, right.
Buffy gives me milk, a dark face and red hair. Buffy gives me milk. Huh?
Friends, today our wolf will scare away Uncle Bunsey. Huh?
Huh? Moti! Hey, Moti, my son!
Our plan had failed. Uncle Bunsey turned out to be very smart.
Hey! Hey!
He brought a dog even bigger than our dog.
La 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 la. Moti! Hey, Moti!
This plan of ours has failed, Tappu. We will have to drink milk again today.
To solve the problem, we must go to the root of the problem. Let's go to Uncle Bunsey's stable.
Hey, dear! I love Buffy more than my own children. You also take good care of her, understand? I will return from the village by tomorrow evening, okay?
You go without worry, master. I will take good care of her.
Did you hear that? Uncle Bunsey is going to the village.
Tomorrow we will kidnap Buffy and take her away.
Yes, if the bamboo's gone, the flute can't play.
What does that mean, Sonu?
It means no buffalo, so no milk.
Yes.
Bathe Buffy every day and don't tie her up. Buffy doesn't like to be tied up.
She's a strange buffalo.
And yes, never call Buffy a buffalo or she will get annoyed.
You should have told me this.
This first, master.
Oh my goodness. I won't spare you. I am telling you. My name is Harya. Harya. Did you hear me or not, you buffalo? Oh no, yeah, she's chasing me.
Huh?
Buffy. Dear Buffy. Oh, how lovely you are. Now the fun will begin. You are throwing me around a lot, huh? Now try throwing me, you black buffalo. Huh? Say Buffy. Don't say buffalo. If I don't call a buffalo, what else should I call it, huh?
Oh no, he tied Buffy up. Kapu, now how will we kidnap Buffy?
Now I will neither bathe you, nor I will give you anything to eat. And I will not untie you also. Just stay tied up here, hungry and thirsty, you damn buffalo.
Friends, we shouldn't kidnap Buffy. We should help her. Yes, but Harya will catch us. Oh, don't underestimate Tapu. Yeah.
Huh? Oh no, all the milk is spilled. What do I do now? What happened? How did my milk spill? Oh no. Huh?
Hey, how did she get free? Kids, where did these kids come from?
Hey, wait! Where are you running? Hey,
Somebody help me! Hey, thank you, Buffy.
You killed me. First, let me tie up this buffalo very nicely. Then I'll teach you all a proper lesson. You devilish kids! Huh? Oh my God, she threw me down again. Today I will not spare you, you buffalo.
Hey, look there! Arya is running after Buffy to beat her up.
Come on, let's run away from here.
No, friends. We have to save Buffy. Let's go. No.
Huh?
Stop! You can't hit Buffy.
Huh? After Buffy, it's your turn now. You devilish kids. No!
Cactus.
Come on, get out of here. Hey, Gogi, what are you doing? Let's go. Oh man, it's so hot today. Yes, Tapu. Buffy must be feeling very hot too. I hope she doesn't get sick. We should give Buffy a bath.
But how will they bring so much of water?
We can't bring the water here, but we can take Buffy to the water, right? Hey,
Yes.
that's a great idea. Let's go.
Oh no, sorry, sir.
Hey, sir, did Buffy go out here?
Yes, but it's been while since she has went out.
How long?
About 5-6 hours.
What? 5-6 hours?
But Buffy left the stable 2 hours ago.
Here it has been gone for 5-6 hours. The heat has made things terrible.
Exactly which Buffy are you talking about? I am talking about Bansi Kaka's Buffy.
Buffy is Buffy. What's the difference between its Bansi Kakas or Bilchu Kakas? Now look, the electricity doesn't come, but how high the bill is.
Here I am talking about Buffy. I am talking about the buffalo named Buffy.
No, Buffy, stop! Stop!
Have you seen any buffalo passing by here?
I haven't seen a buffalo leaving, but I have definitely seen a buffalo coming.
Meaning?
Oh, Buffy! Wait. First, let me check if there are any guards around. Oh no! Hey, Buffy, come on, hurry up! Come on!
Quickly hit this buffalo with sticks and shoo it away.
Hey, Tapu.
Wipe up properly. Buffy might catch a cold.
So the buffalo is tied up, and here goes her fans. Hey, where are you running? Oh, Master, these mischievous children have kidnapped Buffy.
Don't you lie, Harya. I have heard everything. You have troubled my Buffy a lot, understood? I know these children have saved my Buffy's life.
Well done, Tapusina.
You have all done a wonderful job, kids.
Harya, I will not spare you.
Stay away, Master, or else I won't spare you either.
This buffalo, with the help of these kids,
Have beaten me badly. I won't spare them.
chutney out of you.
No, sorry, uncle. This is our fight. This is a matter of Tapusina's honor.
Huh?
Yes, yes, you can do this, kids.
What's this? They are all defeated in one go.
Huh?
Yeah.
Oh dear, my goodness.
Hey, haven't you had milk, huh?
Yay!
Eh? Oh?
Uncle, don't underestimate Tapusina.
Forgive me, please forgive me. I
have made a mistake, kids.
Did you see, Tapuda, how much power milk has, huh?
Yes, Grandpa. The entire Tapusina will drink milk every day.
Yes, Grandpa.
Promise.